Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your category private on your account on Discord on your server, easy and quick. First go here and now click here. Now here after you add the add category name, just click like this and click next, and it should be private. And that's it. That's how to make a private category easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.